Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how to install Windows 10. This video is for the beginners. First of all, to install Windows, you have to set up BIOS and boot menu. Then you need to boot from the device where setup files are stored. So let's begin. I press F2 to enter setup menu. I will boot from the USB external hard disk drive, USB SSD. I will enable F12 boot menu and then UEFI and I press F10 in order to save configuration, change and exit. Now I press F12 and I will choose USB SSD. It is in Russian language. I choose to install Windows. By the way, it's not an original version of Windows, it's repack. I will choose English language. I am going to install Windows 10. You see here it's different versions: Windows 7, 80.1 and Windows 10. Today we are going to install Windows 10. That's why I will choose Windows 10. And before installing Windows, you have to choose the version of Windows and the platform of Windows. I will choose, you see it's written recommended 84-bit operating system. If your device is a low power device, you should choose Windows Home 86 platform, but I will choose 64 platform and professional edition. This is my choice and best for my laptop. This is Acer TravelMate with i5 CPU. Let's wait. Setup is starting. And if your device is a low power device, low power computer, you should better to choose Windows Home 86 platform. Now I will here you can divide. You see unallocated space shown. You can divide to the different disks. Mostly I divide to disks. Today I will do the same, and it's not important, but I always divide disk exactly to exact size. Today I will create 150 gigabytes for the disk C. That's why this is the size of my disk, and you will see extra partitions is generated automatically. You see this was the total size of these 4 disks which I wrote, and this will be the second partition, the second disk, where we'll see in computer. And this option is additional option in my SSD, in my setup files. Here is a username, user folder name, and the name of the computer. I'll press apply. As I told before, this video is for the beginners, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. You can also write a comment if you have any difficulties, or you can also tell me what kind of video I can share for you. Thank you beforehand. We don't touch anything after reboot. The setup will continue. Now the installation process is finished. Then we have to install drivers. These drivers has to be installed. I will show how to install drivers on my next video. Thank you.